So now I am going to talk to you about non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors which are used in the treatment of HIV infection. Non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors which can be easily memorized with this song. I've tried so hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter. This is a very beautiful song of Linkin Park, one of my favorite songs. So in this, with E you have efavirenz, efavirenz. With N you have nevirapine, nevirapine, and with D you have delavirdine, delavirdine. So now one thing to make it absolutely crystal clear to you that all these three are extremely important, extremely commonly asked MCQs. These all are the first generation, first generation non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors, efavirenz, nevirapine and delavirdine. Now talking about the second generation NNRTI. So all the second generation non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors can be memorized with this beautiful film Red. I don't know if you have seen it. As a beautiful, lovely action thriller starring Morgan Freeman and Bruce Willis. Red. With R you have rilpivirine, rilpivirine. With E you have etravirine, etravirine, and with D you have doravirine. You remember that beautiful film Finding Dory? That is a sequel to Finding Nemo. Finding Nemo was an Oscar winner, obviously, all of you know that. One of my favorite films, both of them I love. Finding Dory, Finding Nemo. So why am I saying it again and again? Because Finding Dory is a sequel to Finding Nemo. So first Finding Nemo was made. Then second film to get released was Finding Dory. Second film. That is a sequel. So sequel, by this you can remember that doravirine is a second generation NNRTI.